Hi, my name is Romi and I'm an Australian expat living in northern Thailand in Chiang Mai. I'm really passionate about mental health and believe that everybody deserves the right to the same information and education around mental health. I've been working as a counsellor of adults for almost 20 years and in the last 12 years have gone more into working with teenagers also and running professional development in schools. And the reason that I do this is because I believe that our teachers are at the forefront of everything that goes on in adolescents' lives. So if we can work with teachers and empower the teachers to have the information that they need to be able to work with their students, then we can reach more students at the same time. So this guide that I've developed is very much a toolkit, and it has videos explaining things like anxiety and negative thoughts. So everything is included. There are activities. So the teachers themselves don't need to become experts, but they will have the information in front of them. And then we can look at self-esteem and confidence and resilience and tie it all in together in a way that empowers the teachers and also gives the students the access that they deserve to mental health and emotional well-being. So that's the stuff that I'm passionate about, and I hope to see you at South by in Sydney. Thank you.